In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the 21-day PayPal money hold and what actions you need to take once those 21 days have passed. First, let's head over to PayPal by logging in through their website. Simply open your web browser and type in paypal.com to get started. Once you're there, you'll see the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. Now it's time to enter your login details. Go ahead and type in your email address and password. Be sure to double check your entries for accuracy because incorrect credentials will prevent access to your account. After you've done that, click login to access your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the activity section. This is where you'll find a list of your recent transactions, a crucial step to understand the current hold on your funds. Here, look for all transactions and click on it. This will provide a comprehensive view of all your payments, including those that may be on hold. Look through the transactions for any messages or alerts specifically related to the hold. PayPal usually provides reasons for the hold along with any instructions that might help you release your funds. This information is critical as it guides the actions you need to take next. After identifying the reason for the hold, address it directly. For instance, if the hold is due to account verification requirements, ensure that all necessary documents are submitted. Follow any instructions provided by PayPal carefully to rectify the situation. In some cases, it might be necessity to reach out to PayPal customer support for further assistance. This can be done through the help option on the PayPal website, where you can find several customer service channels including email and chat. Describe your situation and inquire about the hold on your funds. They may offer additional guidance. Once you've received and followed PayPal's instructions, there are steps you can take to prevent future holds. Fostering a positive selling history is invaluable. This involves maintaining open and honest communication with your buyers, ensuring that products are shipped promptly, and confirming that payments are processed efficiently. Regularly updating your account with accurate information can also help establish a trustworthy profile, reducing the likelihood of holds. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to removing a 21-day PayPal money hold, and the steps to take after the hold has been lifted. By adhering to these practices, you'll be on your way to smoother transactions and a more reliable account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.